I think we're in trouble.
The TV shows that are supposed to be for entertainment.
For example, you look at Basketball Wives or something, and you see like they're gorgeous, and like girls want to be like them, but they all fighting. So girls are like, shoot, I'll fight and I'll still be famous and I'll be cute.
At MTV, you see a lot of the studios, you see a lot of the musical entertainers. They're on there, and their attire that they wear.
Hustle, 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 hard, hard, hustle, 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 hard, hard, hustle, hustle, hustle.
We have to have lyrical content now. We got too many songs that talk about nothing. At least next time, when the kids sing our songs, let them be singing something they can sing without getting backhanded in the mouth. That's all I'm saying.
Like I said about Gucci Mane, he gonna sell the most tracks because he talking about the most hooded stuff, so he gonna sell the most.
We got to open our mouths and talk to these young people.
I was in a trash can at the mile for about an hour, hiding in the mile.
They try to brainwash you, and make you think, that this is what you need and this is what that you have to do. That's what they want you to have.
Bingham actually stopped a stranger who'd scored a pair of shoes and offered to buy them for $400.
Whoever's in power, whatever their belief system is, that's what will become of the people who have less power.
Money over everything, I put that on everything. Any verse I ever speak, yeah, you know it's...
Every person does things for whatever reason they want to do things, and the only way you find that out is if you take the time to get to know that person.
We have probably more black men in prison than any other community, and I think that there is something that we all can do.
I think black people need to work hard, get the education. I believe in that. Don't be so fast to blame other people for your misfortune.